Hey everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today is our flip through of our Forget-Me-Not journal, and this is a digital from Chapter 1 Papers. Very pretty kit, and the name of the kit is Forget-Me-Not. So we will go ahead and get right into this. Let me roll my sleeves up. Get ready. Hope you're all doing well today. Very excited about this journal. It will be for sale in my Etsy shop, so it will be in there by the time that this video goes up. Alright, so this is our cover. I did not make this cover. This cover I actually bought from Triple V Vintage, so if you're interested in, I think she has somebody that puts them, that she sells for actually in her shop. So the lace here, the crocheted lace for the closure, was already on the journal cover. So we open it up. There is a lace pocket here, and there's that little tag I told you guys I'd do something with. I just stuck it in the front pocket. This is a vintage pink envelope, and I actually embossed it. Put a little piece of the ephemera there from the kit, and then a applique from a vintage wedding dress. And inside I just have a journaling card, pretty plain. I did back it with some coffee dyed paper, but that would be good for some journaling space there. So that's just in there in that pocket. And then this is just a piece of this would be, it looks like possibly antique ephemera, but it's just a digital, and I tried to grunge it up some. Didn't do too great of a job, but yeah, tried to grungy that up some. And these are the beautiful papers in the kit. Such a beautiful kit. Coffee dyed paper. This is avocado dyed paper, and just used some of the ephemera. We made this together to dress it up in some lace. And then here is a tag. And we have a avocado dyed dolly, some more avocado dyed paper. We have a pocket here with a journaling card in here that I made. And that's got lace all over it, and then just put a well-tailed tab. This kit is just so pretty. Backed it with that one. This is not from that kit, I don't think. And then here's the belly band that we made, and in here I just took that avocado dyed small dolly that we got, just stamped on it, just stuck it under there. And then this right here is just a piece of coffee dyed paper with some antique script on it. I actually bought it that way right off the bat. I can't remember the name of the shop, so for that I do apologize. It may have been inked papery, but I'm not positive. And then we have a avocado dyed envelope there, some avocado grid paper there, and I think this grid paper, yeah, I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say. Not sure where it came from. Pocket here that I collaged and put one of the elements from the kit in there, and there's just another journaling card there. And then this is some lace coffee dyed paper. This right here, if you will remember, is an envelope. Now what I decided to do was actually not to close up the envelope. Just left it open, so my goodness, what is she getting into over there? Sorry about that. If you wanted to open it up, you could actually journal on the inside, and I just put some pieces of ephemera in there to play with. And then just a rose gold paper clip with a piece of crocheted lace on the edge. And same thing here. This is just paper clipped on. It was just an envelope from the kit. Yeah, I just left it this way in case somebody wanted to write inside there. Another rose gold paper clip. And then on this side just had two pieces of ephemera from the kit tucked up in there. And then up here, same thing. This is just a seed packet from the kit and a couple of pieces of ephemera tucked back there. Some more coffee dyed paper. This is that glassine bag that we made together, and a tag up there. It's got some lace, a real pretty digital there. some blue, not cheesecloth, tulle back there. So that's just an avocado dyed glassine bag. And then this is the middle of the signature. Isn't that so pretty? And then over here we have another one. We have a tag in there. Just like the other one, it has the lace trim top and bottom. Put some little sequin bling blings there, and then a little strand of pearl going across there. And then here we have 2 seed packets, guys. Just again clipped on there with a paper clip, and then 2 pieces of ephemera behind each one. And then we have the other envelope, same thing, did not close it up, and just put some pieces of ephemera in there. So someone will have that to play with. So pretty, I love that page. Avocado dyed dolly, another pocket, and a big tag in there. Very pretty. I just love how this turned out. Okay, so this envelope here, this avocado dyed envelope, I just took 3 pieces from the kit, and you just open it up, and in here are some more journaling cards and stuff from the kit. These, I did not cut them all the way out because it would be a little bit fussy, and I didn't want to mess them up, so ever who gets this journal can finish fussy cutting that out. Another seed packet there. Again, I did not glue it down in case you want to do something else with it. This needs to be fussy cut at the top. Sorry, this one right here, and it actually folds into an envelope. And then there is that one that can be folded in half and make like a little booklet out of there. Wanted to put some paper in there, so I wanted to leave some stuff in here for the new owner to play with. And we just have a gold paper clip there holding that together. Another belly band, I'm not going to take it out, same thing, it's the other half of that same sheet of paper, and that avocado dyed dolly that we stamped on under that belly band. We have a pocket here, another one of these journaling cards there. That tag does have lace all over it. And then our other pocket here that we made with that lace at the top. Guys, there was so much of this kit left. I mean, it is a huge kit. And, hold on just a second, guys. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Had another tickle. So that other little tag there. And then in here we just have a large journaling card in there. It has not been embellished. It's just a collage. So again, you can take some of the other elements that's in the kit and make something, and that's what we did with the front applique there. This is from Claudia at Timeless Crochet for You, and this envelope is actually bigger than the one in the front pocket, so we'll put that back down in there, and then there is the back. So that is it, guys. That is our Forget-Me-Not journal. So we are now on to our next project, and I think I know what that's going to be, but I'm not 100% positive. But yeah, so there's that. Again, it will be listed in my Etsy shop when this goes up. So this is our Forget-Me-Not journal. So if you're interested, run on over there and take a look. But yeah, it will be over there. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please like this video. I'd really appreciate it, and leave me a super quick comment. Alright, I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.